What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Clickbank as a beginner. So if you're a beginner and want to learn how to make money on Clickbank, stay tuned to the rest of this video, okay? But before I get into the content, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now and hit the notification bell because I'm coming out with consistent content, primarily YouTube videos, teaching you how you can create the life that you want, make money online, and make passive money online. So make money while you sleep. Okay, so I'm going to share the results that I'm getting so far, as well as do product reviews and share with you the latest tactics and strategies to help you get to where you want. All right, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, and anytime throughout this video, if it's giving you some type of value, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment below. Positive comments only, please. And we'll go ahead and get into the content. So this is for the beginner. I'm not going to go into detail about every single thing, but I'm going to give you a high level overview. So here I am in Clickbank right now. Go to clickbank.com, make you an account. It's easy to make an account and it is free. And all you do is it's open for any country, multiple languages. All you do is put your information in. You also have to put your banking information in because you can tell them where you want your money to go to, right? And after you do that, you'll come to clickbank.com again and hit log in. And then you'll come into your back office. Okay. And this is the back office. Once you're in the back office, you'll click marketplace, and here in marketplace, and there'll be a list of categories and topics for you to choose from, right? To pick products that you can sell to a particular audience. Okay. So Clickbank is all about affiliate marketing, where you have a product, there's someone creates a product and you have an audience, right? Where you take that product that you didn't create and give to this audience and make a sale, and you can get a commission off that sale. It's just like selling cars. If the manufacturer sells the car to the dealer and then the dealer sells it to the customer, that dealer gets a commission, or that salesperson who sold the car to the customer gets a commission off that sale. So this is basically what we're doing here with affiliate marketing on Clickbank. Okay. Again, this is a Clickbank video for beginners. So if you're not a beginner, then just check out one of my other videos on my channel. But so let's say you can choose any category that you want. Let's say we choose business and investing. And then we want to sort results by gravity. So when we sort by gravity, this essentially tells us how well is this product converting or selling to customers in the market right now. And it looks like right now the business and investing, the wood profits is the highest converting on the highest gravity score right now in this category. So you want to make sure you look at these products, you vet them through, you know what they're about, and they're good. Okay. Do not promote a product or an offer that really does nothing for your audience, because it gives your audience a bad taste in their mouth about you if you're showing your face, and also about whatever vehicle you're using to reach them. Okay. So make sure you vet the products. Okay. When you find a product, go to the affiliate page, and on the affiliate page, they should have some resources here and give you a rundown about the commissions, about any upsells that they're having, why you should promote them. And then some banners. They may have some email swipes in here, some keywords that you can rank for if you're doing SEO, some landing pages that they have made, some articles, and here the email swipes. So that's what when you pick your offer, go to the affiliate page and see what they have out there for you. And then you also want to go to your sales page. This is the sales page that your audience, or the traffic that you send to your audience, the traffic you send to your offer will see. Right. So go through and make sure that this product is legit, that it will offer your customers some good insight on what the product is, and it really sells the product like it's supposed to. Okay. So once you have a good offer, you want to come back to Clickbank and click promote. Right. And then you want to generate your hop link. If you have a tracking ID, you can, but you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, truly, you don't have one. So just generate a hop link, and this would be your link. Okay. I advise you to go to bit.ly.com or go to Google link shortener.com. Or if you have a link cloaker or a link through ClickMagick, a personal link, you can use that too. and shorten this up, make this a better looking link. Okay, so once you have that link, this is what you're going to send your traffic to. All right, and I'm going to go over two sources of traffic, one paid and one free. All right, so one my first traffic source is Bitadvertiser. So this is a paid source traffic, paid traffic. So you'll go to bitadvertiser.com, set up an account, just go through the same process. It tells you how to create it, so I'm not going to go through it here. But what you want to do is you want to sign on as an advertiser, okay? And once you have all of that set up, it'll tell you about funding and payments. And you'll go ahead and put your payment information in. And so it's a minimum of $100. So you have to put $100 on your bitadvertiser.com account in order to start posting ads, right? So once you put that on, you go to create a new campaign, and you have three options. You can do a direct navigation ad, a native ad, or pop-up under ad, or push ads. So the push ads is new. So this is basically you'll send your message directly to user's desktop or mobile device as a push notification. So this is really big right here. So I would definitely, I haven't utilized this yet since it's new, but I would definitely be utilizing this. Okay, so I usually do pop under ads. This is an ad basically that pops up when someone visits a site. So if they're visiting a site about what's our product, wood profits or woodworking, then this site might pop up before they get onto the regular site. Okay, and they see this great product that will solve all their problems and purchase the product through your link, you get a commission. Okay, so let's say we're going to use pop under, create the ad, United States, usually United States, UK, Canada, and the United Kingdom, and then next, all websites. You can choose if you want top tier websites, top 90%. Only thing is it'll be more expensive. Okay, so let's just say we say all websites, just so we don't miss anyone. And then we do our daily bid. So you can do the real-time bid analyzer, and it'll show you what you should, if you're using the United States, and then you can primarily using Windows and Chrome, run an analyzer to see what the cost is. So this is the real-time system top bid for one view. So this is how much you'll pay per click. So you can set to my ad, it's updated, and then go next. And then you name your ad, and then you put your hop link from here, you'll put it here. Okay. And after you do that, you go standard, unless you're doing porn, but I hope not. Do standard, and then you do next, and then bam, that's it. And then you set your daily budget. You can do as minimum as $5 a day in your daily budget, and then just come around and go to manage campaigns and just look and see what you're doing. Okay. I just started playing around with it just to see, what it does. And I got some $5 a day. I spent $7 and got 3,228 visits to this one ad using Pop Under. So you can get a lot of traffic using this. Just be careful, utilize it. Don't put too much money into it because it's cold traffic. I suggest that you create a funnel before you don't send them directly to this offer. Create a funnel first, and you can go to one of my other ClickFunnels videos, view that video, and I show you how to create a funnel, and I also give a funnel away for free. I'll also leave a link in the description showing you or giving you a funnel away for free that you can use. And what you do is you put that funnel in front of them first, and they'll put their name, their email address in, and that's free traffic that you can email market to whenever you want to, however long you want to. So I really suggest you do that because that can take your profits up even higher as you get leads. So that's Bitadvertiser, and then you can manage campaign, watch it daily, and see how it's performing. And okay, that's Bitadvertiser. So I'm running out of time here. So, and then Instagram is the free traffic. So if we do wood profits, this business here in woodworking, what you do is, if you don't have an Instagram account, you want to create one around this category or niche. So ours is woodworking. So I'm come in the search bar and type in woodworking. Okay, so there's 9.1 million posts on woodworking. So we know that there is a niche out there, some people that really like it, and there's an engaging community. And what we want to do is we want to create an Instagram that is centered around woodworking. All right. And then we want to post consistent content about woodworking, post nice pictures. You can get some free pictures, go on Google and do or create Creative Commons and search woodworking, and you get some good photos. Okay. And after you do that, post consistently, and then your bio. If I go to mine, you can leave your link, this link that we had here, this link here, put it in your bio and send people to the link. Okay, so that's all I have for you today, guys. That's Clickbank, a high level overview for Clickbank for beginners, choosing a good product and then having two sources of traffic, one paid and one free. Okay, you can do this very quickly. Just spend 1 hour setting all of these things up, and then all you do is just sit and just let traffic run to it, and then eventually you'll be all set to go. All right, so thanks for watching this video. If you want to really learn how to create an affiliate marketing business, an online business, step by step, creating multiple streams of income, check out the #1 link in my description. It'll say my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online. And it will show you step by step how you can do this, create a business that's sustainable and bringing in substantial income. All right. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, subscribe, like this video if it offered you content, and also leave a positive comment below. All right. Thanks for watching this, guys. Peace.